Jess, how you doing? It's great to be back. I haven't done a video for a while, so I'm sure you've all been missing me, or probably not, to be honest. But yeah, I've had a lot going on recently. I was into sort of the habit of uploading once or twice a week, but like I say, loads on recently, haven't been able to do it, so I thought I'd just come on this evening, give you a quick update on where we are, what's going on with me, and plans for the winter workshop, what we're going to get done over the winter, what am I going to be videoing, and what might be of interest to you. And so, like I say, there's been a lot going on in my life that's kind of slowed the videos down. We went on holiday, come back from holiday, then it was my wife's 40th birthday. We went to New York for that. That was really nice, really great. Didn't see any minis though. And probably the biggest thing, I think if you follow my channel for a while, you'll know that I have been looking to move house. So I've had my house on the market, that's sold. We found a new build house. We put an offer in, it was accepted. That was 4 months ago now, so it's a really simple chain. First time buyer, I'm buying a new house. You would think it's really easy, but it wasn't. It was really, really stressful. Just loads of problems and details with buying a new build that you don't expect, or I didn't expect anyway. So I saw the house in July. It looked 99.9% finished, but we've had to just wait ages for all the planning conditions to get signed off and things like that. But anyway, it's done now. We have exchanged contracts and I'm moving on the 23rd of November. I absolutely cannot wait. And I think it'd be really good for the channel as well. I'll be able to do so much more there. So this garage is approximately 100 square foot. It's just under 100 square foot. So it's smaller than a single garage. And the house I'm moving to has got a big double garage, so that works out. It's about, I measured it up, it's about 350 square foot. So in theory, you'd probably get 3 minis in there if you wanted to, and a bit of working space as well. So absolutely can't wait for that. Like I say, I've got big plans for that in the future. Unfortunately, it means this year's winter workshop has started a little bit late. I can't really get stuck into anything because if I do, I'm going to be rushing to get it finished. So I've really held back on some stuff lately. And I've just been doing loads of boring stuff like DIY, making sure the house is all ready and prepared to sell. Everything's right. Really, really boring stuff, really. So anyway, that's the boring stuff out of the way. What's coming in the future? So, like I say, it's a couple of weeks till I move now. As soon as I'm over there, I'm going to get stuck straight in. So on PL, I've got to do a pair of rear radius arms on it and just clean up the rear subframe, give it a good waxing at the back there. I think it's all solid, but I'll clean it off, have a really good look. And like I say, the radius arms were an advisory on the MOT. It's not a huge amount of playing them, but they've done 100,000 miles now. I think I'll get them off and I'll either refurbish them myself or I'll buy in some already refurbished radius arms. So definitely going to get cracking on with that when I go over there. I need to cavity wax PL as well. So I've done Vinny when I've done the overseals on it, but I need to cavity wax PL. To be honest, it stays in the garage, but it's just giving it a bit of added protection, to be honest. And what else? I need to do a headline in PL. It's got the original Rover headlining in it. It's really grey and dirty. I've tried cleaning it off, but just doesn't look that great. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. I don't think you can get like the original Rover type headlining, which is like a cloth. It just attracts the dirt really badly, but I'll probably get a decent quality headlining from someone like Newton Commercial or somewhere like that. Never done a headlining before, so it'll be quite interesting. I think they can be a bit of a pain, but we'll see how it goes. Vinny, so a few weeks ago I was trying to fit the performance manifold on Vinny, so didn't want to get too stuck in with that again because I know a house move was imminent. So as soon as we're over there, Vinny will get parked up in the garage. I can strip that down then, and it doesn't matter how long it takes me to sort out the exhaust. So looking forward to getting that done because I really think that will help with the performance. Not sure what else on Vinny. I do want to respray it at some stage, but I don't think that'll be this year. That'll probably be the year after. I've got some racing harnesses to fit in it, so I definitely want to get them in because I do the odd track day in it and they're just so much better than a sort of 3-point seat belt. So get the racing harnesses in, and I'll have to get a sort of race seat in it as well, so the buckles can go over the back. And so what else is going on? So I don't want to reveal too much at this stage because I've not been down there to see Mark to start any work on it yet. But Mark's just about to start another project rebuild down at his workshop. Obviously I'll go down there and help him with it as well, and we'll try and video that as we go. So Project Bolt was the race car build that we done last year. That was a bare shell rebuild, and Bolt was built purely for speed. And if you'd have seen my videos, that car's turned out fantastically. Loads of attention to detail in it, and it's a very, very quick car as well. This will be slightly different. So this is a build for Mark's wife. I don't want to reveal too much at this stage, but you'll probably all get it when I sort of say it anyway. It's going to be called Project Kitt. So some of you guys that can remember the 80s, I'm sure you'll work out what it is, but it'll be a themed build, and knowing Mark's attention to detail, that'll be something else. So again, I'm really looking forward to being involved with that project. Going to try and do a bit more videoing with it this time. So in Project Bolt, Mark took the sort of photos as we went along, so they weren't that fantastic. So Mark's got a GoPro, I've got a GoPro, so we'll try and get it set up down there so we can time lapse some of it. But that again, Project Kitt will be a bare shell rebuild. So Mark's sort of got his workshop sorted out at the moment. Last couple of weeks he's just been moving his really nice shiny cars out of the way, getting them all covered up, putting some sort of welding shields and curtains up so we don't make a mess of the other cars. Yeah, and hopefully I'll update you on that in the coming sort of next couple of weeks. I think that's going to be a really exciting build. Like I say, Mark's got immense attention to detail, and yeah, let's wait and see. I think it's going to be really good. And also just a quick heads up for Saturday. So that's this coming Saturday, Saturday the 10th of November. I said that when we get to 1,275 subscribers, I would do another giveaway, and I'm going to do that Saturday. It won't be the giveaway Saturday, but I'll post a video where basically if you go on it, you'll leave a comment or something like that. I've got an idea of what I'm going to do, but leave a comment in the description of that video Saturday, and you'll be entered into the prize draw. And I think just to make it really simple this time, I think I'm just going to give away some vouchers. So I don't know what it'll be, probably mini spares or somewhere like that. Vouchers are just so easy because you can just send them by email. Doesn't matter whether you're in the UK, whether you're in Japan or Australia. The shipping might cost you quite a lot, but I think what I'll probably do is I'll do some vouchers, then you can go away if you win the contest and you can buy whatever you want. So I'll just give you a bit of a heads up. So all I can tell you is it will involve this little pottery model of Piao here. So yeah, if you remember guys, maybe hit the bell. I don't know, you do that on my videos actually, but I'll post the video Saturday. Leave a comment in that description. I'll give more details on Saturday, and as soon as we hit 1,275 subscribers, a winner will then be picked. And like I say, pretty sure at the moment I'm going to do mini spares vouchers, but I'll update you on that on Saturday. And so that's about it for this week's update. Like I say, do apologise for the lack of videos. There's definitely more coming soon. Loads of stuff to look forward to. The new workshop should make a massive difference. As you can see at the moment, if you take a look around, all the photos and plaques are off the walls. Started putting all the chemicals away, tidying the tools up, that sort of thing. Just getting ready for when we move. It's by the time this goes out, it'll literally be 2 weeks and a couple of days. So yeah, pretty frantic over the next couple of weeks, not just packing up the workshop but obviously the rest of the house as well. So enjoy the rest of the week guys. Remember to tune in Saturday, leave a comment in the description of that video and you'll be entered into that prize draw. So thanks a lot guys, and catch up with you again soon.